Alright, so our first cook on our new Traeger Silverton 810 grill is going to be some U.S. choice beef ribs. Let's get them rubbed up. Alright, we've got the rub here on the beef ribs. We're using Matt Pittman's Holy Gospel from Meat Church. Let's go get the grill fired up. Alright, when you take this out of sleep mode, hit the button here. Bring it out. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and preheat this to say 275. Okay, ignite to start. There we go. Alright, we'll get this fired and rolling. We'll get those ribs on. Alright, we got the beef ribs on the grill. The grill will never be this clean again. We'll cook to 165 temp and then we'll wrap. Alright, so we're going to unwrap our beef ribs and see what we got. We let them rest for about 45 minutes. Cooked them to 203. I think we're looking good here. Got good pullback off the bone. Alright, we'll get these sliced up and let's give them a taste. Pretty much we're just going to pull them apart here, it looks like. Okay, it looks like it's better to cut these from the top side so we miss the bone. Looks like we got a little bit of bone in between anyway, so you kind of got to work your knife through there. Alright, let's take a bite and see how we did. It's delicious. I'm loving it. So let's get this on a plate. We have ourselves a pretty good meal here.